If you want to know Manish Sisodia, know him through his acts, how he manipulated the entire party to be the leader and PM candidate in 2013. Arvind Kejriwal, along with the coterie, which included Sunita Kejriwal, Manish Sisodia, Sanjay Singh, Durgesh Pathak, and few more, were taking all the decisions in Aam Aadmi Party. They wanted me to join PAC when party was formed, but I love to be a common person, enjoyed a political life, and never thought Kejriwal can ever dish me in the way he did. People loved me for my simplicity, honesty, spirituality, so I flourished day and night. Many volunteered and gave their free services for the nation. I used to call them revolutionaries. They were most reputed citizens of the country who supported and served our for being a party with a difference. It has new ideology, it focused at the needs of the common people, it had models to change the corrupt system and replace the rotten with the fresh one. The party was the voice of the nationalists and challenge for anti nationals. As far as ARP is concerned, it is evident by now that it has been conceptualized by me and was shaped by the revolutionaries who later became ministers, volunteers, and leaders. But then something happened. Cheap mentality of dwarfs who tried to show me my place. They abused me and tried to draw comparison with Sunita. And the game began. Since Evan loved me and he was everything to me, I kept quiet and listened to all, trying my best to ignore them. I thought probably it is wife's jealousy, but it had no end. On all occasions, Arvind has been with Sunita and his family and treated me like a trash which can be thrown into dustbin anytime, as if all greatness lies in him and his. The only option was to ignore, as I really loved him and did not want to lose him. Took immense insults and humiliations from his people, but did not respond. Then I did not know Manish was his friend and his love for Sunita is greater than Arvind Kejriwal's himself. I wanted Arvind to be a leader, but Sunita wanted Manish to lead. Since the party was mine and Manish, Sunita could not do much because of my veto, and any decisions could be altered just by my yes and no. I guess that is what became the problem for both who wanted power for themselves. Mani strategically removed all revolutionaries and brought in party workers who would obey his orders. There was an uproar in the party. I started getting calls from volunteers from entire country and all who were in my support. Even those who supported Arvind Kejriwal were kicked out. Gradually, all the posts were emptied where I had my supporters. It became a crisis when one or the other was insulted and thrown out every day from the party. They filled the party with sycophants and paid workers. The ideology and the constitution of the party was kicked for a toss, and what remained in the party was Arvind Kejriwal's team, what I call as Arvind Kejriwal Private Limited. Manish got help from Congress too through Alka Lamba. He, along with Congress, BJP, and his coterie, conspired to harass, defame, discredit, and deny me so that they can keep the hold on the party. As Congress and BJP came along with AAP to revenge me, they snooped, followed, traced, tracked my private and personal life, and humiliated me everywhere. They tried to defame me and drugged me to make me mentally unstable. I kept requesting Evan to remove them from my party, but he wanted to enjoy his position and fame, so denied me. It wasn't easy to handle everything all alone, but I did it. Manish Sisodia used all my acquaintances, my family, neighbors, and others to steal my idea and concepts, which he implemented it in app. Everything that you see in app is me, except few which comes from outsiders. He earned fame for himself and destroyed my work everywhere. Not only that, anybody who came forward to help me, be it my family or friends, were targeted and destroyed. I have no clue what he calls as revolution in education in Delhi, but the reforms are all copy paste of mine. All decisions were taken by me. Manish wanted to remove private schools, but I put a stop to it and asked him to make the government school at par to the private ones. He does not have intelligence to understand the education model that I gave it to him, so he did it in a haphazard manner, which irritated me in and out. He is the most incompetent person I have come across, but he was lucky to have Atishi who really changed everything in education. But because he is a friend of Arvind Kejriwal, credit goes to him. And nobody in the party has guts to speak against him. After a long fight, when I proved that Arvind Kejriwal and his coterie was faking to people, AK2 went against me and abused me in public platform. Obviously, it was like enough is enough moment for me. I just refused to take anything silently. When I spoke, he tried to prove me mentally ill and characterless, and I lost it. Manish and his coterie not only destroyed my life but also the party by throwing out all who wanted to work for the party. There has been many occasions on which it has been proved that Manish and Sanjay Singh were the reasons for the bad performance of AAP, but nothing can be done to them because they are Kejriwal's friend.